In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an unsubscribe link in Mailchimp. So first log in to Mailchimp, then next in the left panel, click on campaigns. Next is click on the campaign you want to edit. So here we're going to click on edit design. Now once inside the email editor, all you have to do is click on a specific text box where you want to add the unsubscribe link. Usually at the footer of your email. So in our example, you can see here an unsubscribe link. So all you have to do is type in your text like click here to unsubscribe, or you can also copy this. You can update your preferences or unsubscribe. Then next, highlight the text, specifically the unsubscribe text. Then next is click on the three dot icon at this top toolbar and click on Merge Tags. Now here, look for unsubscribe link and click on it. Mailchimp automatically replaces this with a working unsubscribe link for each recipient. Lastly, check that the link looks good and style it if needed so it's readable. Make sure it's easy to find, for this keeps your emails compliant and subscriber friendly. And lastly, preview your email and send a test to make sure the unsubscribe link works properly before sending to your full audience. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!